Okay, come closer. Let me quickly show you something right now. Okay, so here is a mail I sent to myself just for a test. Okay, and right here in this mail I have my name, I have what I do, I have my number, I have my address, my email, and even a picture of myself attached to it. Under my picture I have links to all my social media handles. This right here is what I call email signature. Signature rings a bell, right? Yeah, it's no different. Signature is just the same as the one append whenever you visit the bank to write a check or even withdraw your money. Okay, and that signature is very, very unique to you. I don't think there is any two persons in this world that shares the same signature. Okay, so it's very, very unique to you. So the same goes with this email signature I just showed you right here. Okay, it makes you stand out, it makes you appear professional. This email signature is going to get you more clicks whenever you send a mail. It's going to get you more replies, okay, and also it's going to get you more leads. Do you know where it gets interesting? I'm going to show you how to create your own personalized, customized email signature for yourself in just a few minutes. So come with me. Okay guys, I would like you to go to this website, designhill.com. okay, please go to this website. First of all, that's the first step. This website has a lot of things that you can do with it. You can order logo designs, website design, t-shirts, and so many. Look at these amazing designs. Look at them. Okay, so you have so many things like design tees and all of that Designhill takes care of. Okay, even your graphic needs, all of them, and you can see that they have so many high-end clients that are using the same website. So I will advise you to go to designhill.com. okay, but the first step to what we are to create is scroll down to the website. Okay, you will see where they wrote tools. All right, so tools, you have business tools, logo maker tools, t-shirt maker tools, business card maker tools, email generator, gift cards. Okay, so we are to click on email generator, email signature generator. Okay, because that's what we want to do in this video. So click on it. We want to generate our own email signature. So once you click on it, it leads you to this point. Okay, you see there are so many templates that you can choose to create your own email signature. Okay, you can scroll down. You see the benefits of you creating your own email signature: stay professional, more replies, increase in leads, get more clicks, and so many of them. Why you should create your own email signature. Okay, there is also a pro plan. Okay, pro pricing plan that you can select from. I will show you that later in the video. So you click on create free email signature. Okay, click on it and it leads you to this point. Okay, so you have to go to this website, designhill.com. okay, make sure you are registered and sign in. It's just your mail. It will need your mail. Okay, and that's just it. Then you confirm in your inbox. So once you are signed up, it's pretty simple. This is your name. Okay, I'm going to use my name. Okay, hold on. Once you are signed in, okay, click on this link. This link, I'm going to leave a link in the description. The first link you find there is this link right here. Okay, so once you click it, this is where it leads you to. So just click on create free email. All right, and it brings you down to this section. So you see, if you are scrolling down, you see that there are so many themes. Choose a theme for your signature. You can choose this. Okay, you can choose this, you can choose that. All right, so but I think this looks pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then I come up here, I said name. Okay, name Anthony is my name, my last name, or boom. Okay, let me just enter boom. Then my mobile number should be 08 just gonna type in one or two things there. Okay, so my email is hello@tonyobum.com. My job title, I can just choose something like video. Okay, let me choose CEO. All right. The chief. Okay, let me write chief executive officer. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I come down here, address. I can choose to write any address. I can choose Victoria Secrets. Okay, all right, okay. So scrolling down, you see some other spaces. You can put your website here, your company name, whatever you choose to do here. Okay, then address, whatever you choose to. Then you see it says upload a logo. Okay, the logo that will go under here. Okay, and it gives you a dimension, a size. It says minimum dimension is 500 pixels, this and that. Okay, maximum this. Okay, so you know how to resize your image. So go to wherever site, whichever site you want to resize your image, and come here and upload. I already have one image I would like to use. Okay, so I click on upload and wait for it to load up. I think it's my downloads. Okay, so here is the image I want to use, and I click open, and it's uploading right now. Okay, in case if you need to add more fields, it's on the pro version. Okay, so I just click on it and upgrade your account to a pro. It's quite affordable. Then go to social. Social is where you add all the social media handles. All right, so you see Facebook is for pro, so more reasons why you should upgrade the account to pro. Okay, upgrade the account to pro if you need these features. Okay, I think, okay, let's enter Twitter, Tony. Okay, you see it appears here. Just put a link to your Twitter handle, which again, okay, Instagram. I click on Instagram. Okay, Tony Obum. Just enter the link to your Instagram. Okay, a full link to your Instagram. Then my YouTube. Okay, youtube.com/c/Tony Obum. Okay, I think these three, and you see there are so many icons here just for you, so in case if you need it, or you can type here and search for whichever one you want. All right, so after this see, it's coming together right now. So you go to style. Okay, this style, you can change the colors, change it to whatever you want. Okay, do you see it's changing right now? You can change it to your brand color. That's up to you. Okay, I think blue looks okay. And you can change the font style. You can choose it to whatever font style you need. Okay, so this is here. You can change it to whatever font style you need. Size, you can change the size, and all of that. Then it comes here, you have a call to action. Okay, call to action is let me say I want them to send me a message, take action from this email signature. So I say, okay, buy my course. Okay, buy my course. Okay, so I'll just leave this as call to action. Then I'll leave a link to my course, youtube.com/c/ what's it called, Tony Obum. Okay, so whenever they click on this link right here, it takes them to my course where they will buy my course. Okay, and you can also change this button to blue. Okay, so you see, well customized. Okay, this add-on, you can add a disclaimer. Okay, you can add a disclaimer. So this right here, my email signature is set right here. Okay, so why do I do this? I click on create signature. Okay, so this is it. Did you see it? Do you see guys? Okay, so they will just ask you how big is your team. I have a team of 3 persons. Okay, 4. I have a team of 4 persons. Then do you have a business logo? Yes, I do. My designer. Okay, so if you don't have, tell them. They will have so many designers to help you design your logo. So they will ask you, have you heard about Designhill? Yes. Okay, where did you hear it from? I heard it from a friend. Okay, I heard it from social media. Yes. Which one? YouTube. Okay, YouTube is is a what's it called, search engine. Okay, YouTube. Yeah. Okay, you heard it from me. So download your signature right here now. Okay, so once you click on it, it takes you to this page. Just hold on. Okay, so this is it. So this is your signature right here. So the next step is, how do we integrate this? I mean, almost everybody uses Gmail. Okay, so, and it has, you know, it has tutorials on how to integrate each and every one of these email signatures to whatever email that you are using. Okay, that's for iPad and whatever, every of them. Okay, so I want to integrate for Gmail because that's what virtually everybody is using. So I just, you know, go to email, my mail. Let's read it. It says generate an email using this and this, copy signature button, open Gmail and all of that. Okay, so I know it already. So I just copy this signature. Okay, see, I've already copied this signature. Then I go to my mail. Okay, go to okay, let me go to this one. So go to settings. Go to settings. Okay, go to see all settings. We just want to, you know, integrate this particular email signature that we just created. All right. Okay, so scroll down, you will find a place where it says signature. Okay, keep on scrolling. Okay, so this is signature. So I'll create new. I'll name it Tony Sig. Okay, Tony signature. I create it. Okay, then here, okay, right here, I'll just, you know, paste it. Did you see? I remember I copied this email signature right here, so I pasted it. Okay, so this is it. So come down, you say for new email use, Tony Sig here, reply and forward. Okay, whenever I reply someone, it says this. Okay, once I select it, I now click on save. All right, so let's see if this works. Let me compose a mail to, okay, so this is my mail. Hello boy. Okay, how have you been? Okay, so this is mail. I'll just send it out right now. I just want to see if it works so you guys can see. Okay, the mail is sent. So let me go to this mail right here. Let me refresh and see if it works. You see how cool it looks. Trust me. Load up. So the mail is here. So do you guys see? I sent it from this mail to this mail, and look at how cool this is. So after my message, say how have you been? This is my message, and this is my signature. Okay. So this tells my audience, this tells whoever that got this mail is, hey, this mail is from Tony, and you know, this is me. Okay, so that's what, you know, mail signature. Yo guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I would like you to head over to designhill.com, you know, to the link, and create your own personalized email signature. And I would also like you to please upgrade your account to the Pro. The Pro has, you know, such cool features like, you know, custom features like I just saw there whenever, you know, you sign up on the Pro account. Okay, I can't wait to see the customized email signatures that, you know, you guys create using this tool I just showed you. This is Tony here saying goodbye for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.